As ZIMSTAT, we remain committed to modernizing Zimbabwe's statistical ecosystem and ensuring that quality data is collected, managed and utilized from the grassroots level to the national level. I am pleased to inform you that efforts are underway to amend the Statistics Act, and we are at an advanced stage. This important legislative reform will strengthen data governance, enhance collaboration across institutions, improve coordination within the national statistical system, and create greater opportunities for strategic partnership, as well as enhancing the statistics doing business environment. Innovation in statistics and data dissemination is no longer optional. It is essential. It has now become an imperative. By leveraging emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, open data initiatives, and interoperable systems, we can make official statistics more accessible, timely, relevant, and impactful. I therefore encourage all stakeholders to invest these innovations as tools for improving efficiency, optimizing resource allocation, and strengthening our statistical systems. Equally important is the need to break down institutional silos and foster a culture of cooperation and collaboration through continuous engagement and joint capacity building initiatives with ministries, agencies, and development partners, as well as civil society. This workshop presents an important milestone in our efforts to elevate the quality and accessibility of official statistics. The knowledge and skills you acquire in data management, integration, and dissemination will empower you to improve statistical quality, enhance data exchange mechanisms, and ensure that information is readily available to support informed decision-making. These efforts are fundamental to building a truly data-driven culture in Zimbabwe and across the African continent.